What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the Overmotor channel. My name is Liam. You're mounted to my face helmet right now. We are out here in beautiful sunny Florida and we're gonna shred the bike a little bit. I found a trail a little down this way and I wanted to give it a go, see how the bike handles it, because I've never really off-roaded with this bike before. If you've seen a couple of my previous videos, I explain why and why it's really not the best for off-roading. But I wanted to give it a go. I did a couple like minor modifications to help. Oh, eagle, that's cool. Very cool. Yeah, I've done some modifications to this thing, strapping down the battery properly to the frame so it doesn't like move around and whatnot. Got rid of the kickstand for now because it just wobbles back and forth. It creates an annoying noise. So it's saying here, no bikes, but we're gonna be a little sneaky here. This is usually a pretty quiet place to ride, so we're just gonna check it out and see how it handles, see how the trail handles. Fire danger high, okay. And so I'm not really an off-road rider. I want to get into it. I want to, you know, start going down some trails and whatnot. There's some deep sand right here. Let's get up here. Yeah, that's deep. I've got an upcoming project that you guys are going to be hyped to hear about. Okay, this is potentially even worse. I can see why they say no bikes allowed. It is bumpy and it's sandy there. But yeah, like I was mentioning, I've got a super awesome project up and coming in the works right now. It's probably going to be another couple months before it's complete, but I'm going to announce it about halfway through probably. And you guys are going to be hyped about this. This is actually handling quite well, I gotta say, considering. Whew. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's deep. Woo! That's nuts. This is just a bit of a warm-up practice because we're actually going to be heading down into St. Petersburg, Florida, for an awesome semi-e-bike ride out. It's apparently going to be pretty big. We're expecting about 75, 85, 95 people, somewhere around there. But can we just appreciate this amazing landscape of Florida? I mean, like, come on. It's so awesome. Got your pine trees everywhere. It's super warm outside. Okay, that's saying staff only. That's saying staff only. That's saying staff only. Okay. What do we do? Do we keep going? I kind of wanna go down there. See what's down here. Whoa. Yeah, that's sandy. So yeah, super stoked about going to that ride out. As you may have seen in one of my shorts, I did end up going to the Tampa Mega Ride. So this would then be my my second ever ride out, which I'm super stoked about. Definitely looking to get into some more ride outs and filming some more ride outs for you guys, because I'm sure you'll love that. Oh, this is nice. This is some grassy area. Well, I'm gonna keep going down here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is handling super well. This trail is gnarly. Whoa, deer! Oh my god. Awesome. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at those trees. Woo. Wow. All right, I'm gonna ride down to that little hole that seems to be going across there, and then I'm gonna head right back. Definitely gonna need to come down here though again. Let me know, guys, what you think about riding like this, some trail riding like this. I've never really done any. Whoa, that's a deep divot in that as well. I've never really done any trail riding like this, so this is really my first time, especially on this bike, just because I had to tune in the suspension quite a bit and the kickstand the fact that it was flapping up and down as it was, you know, creates so much noise. I'd just be panicking the whole time, and it just didn't sound good. And so I wasn't sure whether that was the kickstand itself or whether that was the bike. And so just locking everything down, tightening everything up really helped this bike in terms of the feel. No trespassing. Okay, I'm gonna take that as my turnaround signal. But this is beautiful. Look at those. All cut out. Wow. All right, let's head back. Whew. Big divot. My legs are starting to get tired. Kick the pine cone. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about some riding like this? Because I definitely want to do some more of it. The goal is to get a truck at some point and then rip around some trails. Obviously, I'm also going to be sticking to what I was kind of doing before, right? The reviews, all that sort of stuff. I got lots of, whoa, got lots of stuff planned for you guys. Oh my god. Getting into some trenches there. Whoa. Oh goodness. Got a little squirrely right there. All right, ladies and gents, it seems I have found the exit. I have survived the perilous trail, and it is getting bumpy here at the end. Wow. Very bumpy. We made it. So cool, so worth it. So now that we made it out, I'll see you guys in Clearwater. Gotta give it some eyebrows and a tongue. There we go.
You're drawing on your bike. Okay.
Wash me. I like that.
Your bike has been vandalized.
Keeping it up.
Oh, I had a speaker up here.
I see that.
I didn't have that last time.
Yeah, that looks cool. I need one of those on mine. I feel like the goggles were a bad idea for a night ride. There we go, that's good. All right, looks like we're getting going. We got Jason over here, meeting up with him. So we're just gonna be following him around. He's been here a couple times, so my first ever critical mass ride. And that is cool as well. Can't stand behind this lady, otherwise I'm gonna get demonetized. So how many rides have you done here with critical mass?
I stopped counting a couple of years ago.
Okay. All right, low-key little flex right there.
So I wandered into this group by accident.
Okay, okay.
One day, and then I found out their schedule.
You like that? Got Captain Jack Sparrow over there. Dude, who knew St. Pete had Captain Jack Sparrow? That's awesome. Ooh, I'm gonna go up on the sidewalk right there. Oh man, that's got to be more than 75. They were estimating 75. This has definitely got to be more than 75, that's for sure.
Look at the lowrider bike over here.
Lowrider bike?
The guy with the red backpack. On the right.
Oh yeah, oh my god, I see that now.
Yeah, there's a little motor on it, but it's electric.
Oh, it does? Oh, that's
Let's
awesome.
take a look at it.
Yeah, need to check that out. That's way too cool. No way. Retrofitted battery, small motor. It's probably like a 250 or 500 watt motor. That's badass. You're like my local tour guide. And on the left, you'll see.
I've been in this town 35 years.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I think now's my time to get up front and get a nice view of how many people we actually got here. All right, let's pause it right here. Let's see how many people we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Lost count. Too quick.
Hello! We got people coming the other way,
Yep.
too.
But am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club?
Join the bike ride.
Right? Join the bike ride.
Turn around.
Woo! Oh, this is beautiful, man. Gotta love St. Pete. Sweet. Probably the fastest e-bike here, so I want to try and stay back a little bit and then run to the front of the pack and then stay back a little bit and then run to the front. That's basically my game plan.